Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial. Today I will create a simple 3D model ice cream. First I will insert cube in here, and then I will use scale command. We can scale this cube object. I will scale in current axis to the top here, and then I will scale again in blue axis, move into this point. Okay, now in here I will use move tools, and then you can copy this object. You can press Ctrl button, hold, and then you can click at these arrows. You can move to the top, so it will be copied. Okay, I will move to this point. The next I will change into this view wireframes, and then I will use scale command. We can scale in a green axis. I will move into here. Okay, now you can change again into mesh plus wireframe view, and then I will select this object. You can hide this object. You can click here to hide. Okay, now we can edit these models. First you can select, and then I will use face selection. You can select at this face, and you can press delete button to delete at this face. The next I will use a thickness. We can give a thickness into these models. I will set thickness into 3, and you can click OK. So it will be correct thickness. The next we can use add the tiles. Okay, I will create new vertex, new edge. Okay, you can active edge option and then use automatic loop findings. You can click from this point. Okay, I will move into here. The next I will create new vertex. Okay, you can click in center point in here. Okay, we can click again in here, and now in here. The next at this point. Okay, you can click OK. Finally, you can smooth these models. You can click modify, and then you can click one object. I will set smoothness into 5. You can click preview, so it will be smooth in 5, and you can click apply. You can change again into mesh view. Here we create this for cover. The next we can unhide these models. Okay, you can check these models, and then I will use move tools to move these two objects. Move to the top here. And now I will only select this object, and then we can hide. We can click here to hide. Okay. We can use select this object and use face selection. We can select this face. The next I will use insert tools. Okay, we can insert in here. I will move into here. The next we can use move tools. We can click confirm change, and then I will move in our green axis. Move to this point. We can use insert again. And then I will move into this point, so make it more small. And now we can use scale command. I will scale in right axis, then scale again into this point. Okay. Now we can use the extrusion command. You can we need to move again this object. Okay, this face. And then we can use extrusion, move into here. Okay, move to the bottom. And now I will use a face selection at this point, and then we can scale. Okay, make it more small. And now I will use insert command. Okay, maybe insert. And then next we can use add the tiles. Okay, I will click from this point and move to the top here. Okay, it's enough. You can click OK to apply. Now we can smooth these models. You can click modify and then click one object. You can click preview. It will be smooth, and you can click OK again. Okay, you can unhide these objects, and now we create this simple ice cream. You can select this object, and then we can use rotate tools. You can rotate in right axis into 90 degree. And then you can use move tools, move in a green axis to the bottom here. You also can change the color into this object. Okay, I will change into orange. You can click apply. So we already create this simple 3D model ice cream with a SelfCAD software. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD 3D modeling basic tutorial how to create a 3D ice cream with basic tools. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.